Welcome to our Microlearning channel. Imagine a vibrant forest teeming with life. Sunlight filters through the leaves, illuminating a symphony of colors and textures. But beneath this surface harmony lies a hidden world, a silent conversation conducted through a language of chemicals. This is the realm of chemical ecology, a fascinating field that explores how organisms use chemical signals to interact with each other. Plants may not have voices, but they possess a powerful arsenal: chemical compounds. These can be both offensive and defensive. Imagine a caterpillar happily munching on a leaf. Suddenly, it recoils in disgust. The plant it's devouring has released a bitter-tasting chemical, a clear message to the hungry herbivore: this meal is not welcome. Conversely, flowers use alluring scents to attract beneficial insects. Their sweet fragrances act as an irresistible invitation to pollinators like bees and butterflies, ensuring the continuation of their species. Chemical ecologists are like detectives, meticulously unraveling the secrets of this silent language. They employ a range of sophisticated techniques to identify and analyze the vast array of chemicals produced by organisms. This may involve advanced chromatography methods to separate and isolate individual compounds, or even powerful spectrometers to decipher their intricate structures. Chemical communication isn't confined to terrestrial ecosystems. Dive beneath the waves to a vibrant coral reef, where fish flaunt dazzling colors and release chemical cues. These signals play a crucial role in attracting mates, defending territories, and even maintaining social hierarchies within their communities. Even within insect colonies, chemical communication reigns supreme. Pheromones, powerful scent molecules released by a queen bee, guide the entire hive, ensuring its smooth operation. Understanding chemical ecology isn't just about appreciating nature's wonders. It has real-world applications. By studying how these chemicals work, scientists can develop new, more targeted pesticides that pose less of a threat to the environment. Imagine a future where we can control agricultural pests without harming beneficial insects or disrupting delicate ecosystems. Chemical ecology is a rapidly evolving field. Researchers across the globe are constantly pushing the boundaries of our understanding, uncovering new insights into this intricate dance of chemical communication. From the defensive strategies of plants to the social interactions within insect colonies, every discovery adds another piece to the puzzle. So next time you venture outdoors, take a moment to appreciate the silent symphony around you. The language of chemical ecology permeates every corner of the natural world, waiting to be deciphered. Explore online resources or consider taking a dedicated course to delve deeper into this fascinating field. The secrets of chemical ecology offer a glimpse into the remarkable interconnectedness of life on Earth. Thanks for viewing this micro-learning video.